Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable haptic keyboard on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app. Go to the Sound and Haptic settings. Scroll down and tap on the keyboard feedback option. Here, tap on the toggle switch right next to the haptic option to turn it on. This will enable haptic feedback for your keyboard, providing a subtle vibration as you type. And this is how you can enable haptic keyboard on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.